Hey everyone, John here. Sorry about not having anything posted new in the last little while, but just had a bee swarm call from a family down the road from me, so I went out and took a look. Here you can see a picture of it from a distance up in the tree, and then I zoom in and get a closer look, and then we'll jump over to video as we go through the capture process. All right, we got a nice little swarm right here. I'd say maybe 3 pounds. All right, let's do this. I've had them go up my pant leg once because a lot of them will fall on the ground, just crawling around the ground, and they just start looking for stuff to climb up on. So I put my boots on. I decided I don't like them going up the pant legs.
Care if I take pictures and stuff?
Say again?
Do you care if I take pictures and stuff?
No, not at all. I'm trying something new this time. I usually have the heavier kind of leather gloves on, but you lose some of the sensitivity of the feeling of things. So I've got some new rubber gloves, but they're like the ones you get at the doctor's office are like 3 mil or 4 mil. These are like 14 mil. So hopefully they're thick enough I don't get zinged. We'll see, I guess. If I do, it'll probably be pretty light through it if they can get their stinger through it.
You're not allergic?
Say again?
You're not allergic?
No.
When I was a kid, we had dandelions everywhere.
Yeah?
We used to get jars and cover them, put the bees in jars.
Yeah.
I got stung all the time. My
Did
kids
you?
are so terrified of being stung, and I'm like, I've been stung 100 times.
It just hurts for a minute, and then I might have a minor allergic reaction because sometimes it'll itch for 2 or 3 days. And I guess that might count, but no, I don't have any, like, if I had the anaphylactic shock, that would be a big problem, but just irritation and itch.
Yeah. I did get stung by wasps, and that was very painful.
I think a lot of people get stung by wasps in their grass and things, and just associated with bees. When bees, for the most part, won't sting you unless you're aggressive around their hive or they get stepped on. But for the most part, I don't think bees actually do a lot of the stinging. They just get the bad rap. All right, so I'm just going to shake them, try to get the queen, come down and dump them in the box. It will stir up a bit of bees in the air, but you guys are probably...
I'll back away.
You're fine where you're at, I suspect. Yeah.
Hey, stay right there.
The goal is to get the queen that's in the middle somewhere. Then if she goes in the box, they all follow.
And so now they'll start to line the edge of the box here, and they're just fanning their pheromone to say, hey, we found a home.
Wow.
And they'll get the scent up there that something's going on. Can they what? Will they fight?
Can she fly?
Not usually, except for when they swarm. She'll go on kind of a hunger strike, you might say, so that she's light enough that she can fly for the swarm. Because this is just a standard part of their reproductive process. They just outgrow the box. They kick out the queen with about half of the flock, with about half of the swarm to find a new place, and they've already made some new queens that are coming in to take her place. And then, so that's just their natural process of expanding. So that's probably going to be about it. We'll still have a few gather up there, but they'll get the scent and they'll come down. I can go look and just make sure I don't see the queen up there, but I doubt she's up there. She's in the box, I'm sure.
I was just wondering because I saw some bigger ones flying.
Yeah.
But they have a crowd on it.
Yeah, she's not up here.
Okay, so we'll just kind of clear.
Yep, and I'll be back this evening. Well,
They look pretty